Whoopsies. I accidentally recorded in fast motion. So I'm going to show you real quick how to put these tubes in really easily. You take the first two leads of the, they have a little space between them. Take those two leads, and you don't do anything with them. You take the rest of the leads, and you try not to knock your soldering iron down, like I just did. And you snip them short. Not too short. I'm going to do this in the trash can, so that they don't go flying across the room. There you have two easy ones, and then you just line up the rest of them. Now you can watch this in fast motion. Unfortunately, I did not realize it was in fast motion. Alright, so I'm putting the chips in, and then I realized I should be recording this. This chip, a long chip, which is, what, 32 pins? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15, 30 pins? I don't know. Is incredibly difficult to insert in the socket without bending a pin. These, what are these, 16? No, they're 20 pin. These are a little tricky. These smaller chips are easy to put in, and this little 6 pin or 8 pin chip that you put a heat sink on is incredibly easy. That's simply just slotted in. So we're going to put all the chips in, plug it in, see if it blows up, and if it blows up, well then I guess hopefully I get a lot of views, because I'm going to put the title as Clock Explodes in Creator's Hands. Alright, let's try this socket then. Trying to bend the pins inward so that way they slide in a little better, but I don't want to bend them too much. There we go, that's what I need to do. And as you can see, I already bent a pin on this big chip. Trying to bend the pins inward so that way they slide in a little better, but I don't want to bend them too much. There we go, that's what I need to do. And as you can see, I already bent a pin on this big chip. So I gotta try to be very careful. Like I said, just try to be very careful not to knock down my soldering iron either. Oh, I just bent a pin. Alright, pause it and then take it out. Alright, I believe it is making contact, although it is bent. It's not a big deal. Try not to drop the chip on the floor and then pull the cartridge aside with electricity. And again, try not to drop the chip on the floor flag. We're getting to the stressful part of, is it going to work? Is it going to explode? Is it going to fail? Is it not going to want to do anything at all? I hope it does something. I hope it powers on. Embedding pins. I can put a freaking 4,000 pin CPU into a socket, but I can't do this. I can't do a 30 pin chip. Oh, I just bent a pin. Alright, pause it and then take it out. Alright, I believe it is making contact. There we go, it works, sort of. Unfortunately, it's frozen. I don't know why. I'm contacting the seller and hopefully they can help me out. See, it's stuck on 4/11/30. Don't know why. Thank you for watching.